So finally, Bill Gates was right. Vaccination is mandatory. Without the vaccine certificate, you can't travel. Bill Gates, one of the world's most sinister people, wants you to have the certificates for vaccination or recover person to allow you to travel. Eventually, have the info or an microchip tattoo. So the Jalik vaccination certificate has arrived. Finally, they got what they want. Singapore Airlines launches the COVID-19 passport, describing the digital health ID as a part of the new normal. Singapore Airlines has become the first major carrier to introduce a digital certification or digital certificate used to verify a passenger COVID-19 test result and vaccination status. The company described as the new normal for travel. It announced on Wednesday that it had started the world's first trial of a health verification process developed by a major airline lobby. The International Air Transport Association (IATA), the app known as the Travel Pass, is being used on flights operated by Singapore Airlines from Jakarta, Kuala Lumpur to Singapore. The company said that it could extend the program to other cities if the trials are successful. It also plans to integrate the certificate into its Singapore Air mobile apps in the coming months. Passengers traveling the scale routes will need to take the COVID-19 test at designed clinic in Jakarta and Kuala Lumpur, where they can be used either a digital or paper health certificate with a QR code. The airline explained in a press release the documents will be checked by the both airport check-in staff in Singapore Immigration Authority. The airline said that the COVID-19 test and the vaccination will be an integral part of air travel going forward, and that the certificate were an idea way to verify the passengers' health details. The company hailed the new ID as a way to use the digital technology to create the more experience for customer aimed the new normal. This should be applied to the other countries, and airlines would adopt a similar scheme in order to ensure the passenger have necessarily health credential to protect public health. The IATA announced the last month that it was working on travel pass in a bid to reopen the international travel. Several airlines have already eyed the technology, including the Qantas Airways, which said it plans to make the proof of COVID-19 vaccine mandatory for the international passenger traveling to or any country. The company's CEO Alan Joy also scheduled the digital health passport would become the requirement worldwide. However, there have been warnings from within the industry that making proof of vaccination mandatory could be another bad step that's already suffering travel sector. Gloria Guevara, leader of the World Travel and Tourism Council, recently argued that only negative test results should be required to fly, as a vaccine are not yet widely available and high risk are less likely to travel. Did you remember what Bill Gates says? That life will return to normal only after second generation of COVID vaccine rolled out and various eliminated globally. So the Bill Gates known from day one the digital certification is coming for travel. Bill Gates says the technology tycoon Bill Gates said life can be get back to normal only when a second generation of COVID-19 vaccination is widely available. Isn't helping his case. with the conspiracy bridge after inviting ex-Google CEO Eric, former Microsoft CEO Bill Gates, and former New York Mayor Michael Bloomberg to join the group and charge of the post-pandemic reform of the city's health and the education system. He is still on the Google payroll. Wonder who get those contacts. Bloomberg will build a human contact tracking network, and Gates will be the in charge of developing to blueprint to reimagine education in the new normal world. So the Jalik vaccination certificate has arrived. Finally they got what they want.